Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Toyota Corolla headlight bulb. First, gather your essential tools. You'll need a screwdriver, a 10mm socket, and your replacement headlight bulb. It's also a good idea to have some gloves to protect the new bulb. Always park your car on a flat surface and engage the parking brake to ensure your safety throughout the process. Having everything ready saves time and makes the job much smoother. Now, let's get to accessing the bulb. Begin by opening your car's hood and securing it properly with the prop rod. Next, locate the back of the headlight assembly. You'll see an electrical connector plugged into the bulb. To disconnect it, simply press down on the small locking tab and gently pull the connector straight off. This step ensures no power is going to the bulb while you work, which is important for safety. With the connector removed, it's time to replace the bulb. Gently twist the old bulb about 1/4 turn counterclockwise to unlock it from its socket. Then, carefully pull it straight out. When installing the new bulb, remember not to touch the glass with your bare hands, as oils can cause hot spots and shorten its lifespan. Align the new bulb, push it in, and twist it clockwise to lock it securely into position. Finally, let's reassemble and test. Reconnect the electrical connector to the new bulb, ensuring it clicks firmly into place. Double-check that any clips or covers you removed are properly reinstalled. Once everything is back together, turn on your car's headlights to confirm the new bulb is working. This quick check ensures your hard work paid off and your Corolla is ready for the road with bright, new illumination.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.